It's honestly one of my favorite things to do every month, and we got some good ones this month. So let's go ahead and hop into the Virtual Model Railroad Show. My name's Jimmy. I'm drinking some breakfast blend coffee from Sam's Club, and this is Coffee and Trains. This video is brought to you with support from Trains.com. Trains.com is a fantastic source for new and used model trains and accessories. As a special offer to my subscribers, you can use the promo code JimmyDIY to get $10 off your order of $50 or more. You can check them out at the link in the description. If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and be featured just like these guys right here, you can do that in the comments below, and who knows, you might see your comment pop up on an episode of Coffee and Trains. Also, if you want to have your layout featured on the Virtual Model Railroad Show, stay tuned to the end while I'll tell you how to enter it. Cheers. I am very sorry, but I'm going to butcher this name. This is Isa Kaharlian and his son's layout. Check this out. All the way from Finland, Isa sent his 13-year-old son's model railroad in. This is his first model railroad. Look at this thing. It is German-style Pico DC, and it just looks phenomenal. I want to show the picture, and then he also sent a video of everything they got going on. Obviously still under construction, but a lot of cool stuff here, and this looks really, really good. And this is a 13-year-old that's doing this, so I absolutely love this. You got a bright future ahead of you in model railroading. If this is your first model railroad, this is amazing, Aku. Great job. I absolutely love this. Check out this submission from Alex Russell. Now, I know I'm going to sound weird here, but I love showing these things. Alex has sent his photos of his layout under construction, including some bridge work and what looks like a 3D printed bridge span. Now, this is just really good. It could be carved foam. I'm not quite sure on that. But also check out this bridge span. I love showing these layouts under construction because it shows you what goes into it. You got this nice rock formation here on this riverbed. Looks great, Alex. Robert Soltes sent this one in. Robert is modeling the UK, and he starts with this ping pong table. I love showing the entire progression of this. And he's got the Woodland Scenics Grand Valley set is basically what he is using. He's got the Woodland Scenics risers there. You can see his ballasted track, and he's modeling era 3 to 4 of UK rail, which is 1923 to 1956. And you can see now he's starting to get his work in, and then we really start to see the scenery come in. I love being able to show these full progressions. And then finally, we get the entire railroad. You can see all the different engines in there. Looks great, Robert. Bernardo Saravia sent this one in. Bernardo hails from Mexico, and check out his layout here. I see some CSX power, some Santa Fe, see a lot of different stuff, a lot of lighting too. Nice job on this. It's a dual loop DC layout, has some industries as well. Got a few photos of this. Looks great, Bernardo. This is a really fun layout to run. Check out this layout from 15-year-old Noah. Noah has the Oregon Railroad here that he is working on, and I gotta say, it's not even complete yet, and I can already tell you that he is better at scenery at 15 years old than I was at 15 years old. I think these rocks look really good, and I love the blending of the scenery that he has done with the dirt and the little bit of vegetation that he already has on there. He still has some work to do, but this looks really, really good, Noah. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You're doing great. Can't wait to see more. Curtis Pasley sent this one in. Curtis again sent us the whole process of him building his layout, including this yard construction. You can see he has the paper down, and then he has the track down in this shot, and then he finally has everything ballasted with lighting on the yard as well. Now, he has a military theme to his layout. You can see he has this armory built up here. Looks really good. Love all the little vehicles. And then he also has this airfield right here with helicopters that he says are going to have spinning rotors at some point. And then finally, he has this nice memorial park. This looks really great, Curtis. Love it. This is a layout from McKeegan Curran. Now, McKeegan has a bit of a different railroad here. He's doing a lot of automation, and he's got a system built with 4 ESP32 controllers, 10 relays, 7 IR sensors, and 5 motor controllers. A lot of cool stuff going on here. He said he's going to get it scenic, but another cool thing he does is this layout streams 24/7 at 32-bit railroad on Twitch, and he's also on TikTok at 32-bit railroad. You can check that out. As a matter of fact, as soon as I finish recording this, I'm going to go check it out. Pete Faber sent this layout in. Pete's layout is a classic O-scale layout. Look at that tubular 3-rail track. It's just really pretty. He's got that nice scenery right there, those double decks running. It looks like he has 3 trains running simultaneously right here. Has a nice town. Yep, there's the third one right there. And there might be a fourth. I don't think so, but I think there's at least 3 running right there. This is just that classic Lionel O-scale. Got the tubular track. Like, just looks really, really good. And I just love this. It just looks like so much fun. Thank you so much for sending this in, Peter.
Noah Dutkowitz sent this layout submission in.
Noah's layout just looks like he's having a ton of fun here. He's got this nice Alco FA unit heading around the track, and then he goes out to show us just all of the fun that he is having with his layout right here. Just loads of fun. He's got a wide variety of trains that he is running, including these right here. And then, of course, what train fan would not be complete without some sort of Thomas the Tank Engine stuff right here. And he's got Thomas right here, so love seeing that. I really need to get me that in-scale Thomas that Bachmann makes, but this just looks like you're having a bunch of fun, Noah. Thank you for sending this in.
This one's really cool because I've actually been to this layout in person. This is Rick Luck's in-scale layout.
Rick's layout is an in-scale layout that is absolutely gorgeous, and because I've seen here, I actually know a couple cool features of this layout, including over on the right side, there's actually a little hidden mini helix in there to get to the second level. He's got a lot of coal marshaling and general yards right here. He also has just a lot of action in a fairly small space, and he has a lot of cool views that you can see, just like this one of looking down on that yard. This is just a really great layout. It was a bunch of fun to see this run. Thank you so much for sending that in, Rick.
So thank you for sending those in. If you would like to send your layout in, no matter what stage is in, as long as it is under physical construction and has track, you can send that in by emailing me at the email in the description below. And you can also send me some pictures, some video. The only thing that I ask is that you hold your phone like this when you take the pictures or the video, and try to have at least one picture of either your entire layout or as much of your layout as you can get into a photo, just so people can have an idea of just the size and scope of your layout. People really like seeing that kind of thing. So I'm looking forward to seeing some new submissions rolling in. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.